Hey guys, this is Jim over here at steamingredhotpicks.com. Hope everyone is doing well out there. Today is Wednesday, March 16th, 2011. It is after market close. This is a video chart presentation on VSHC, which is Visual Healthcare Corporation, traded on the pink sheets. This is the 6-month chart, of course, and wanted to point out a couple things here. One thing that stands out, of course, is the increasing PPS over the last several sessions. And also a lot of chartists like to see this sort of this ascending triangle that could perhaps portend to a breakout of some sort coming up. I also want to point out the fact that, look at this volume over the last several sessions, guys. Definitely has been picking up here. We've had some shares being picked up here, increasing volume over the last several sessions with increasing price per share. Well, typically that's an accumulation situation, of course, and that's also evidence here in the accumulation distribution graph. As you can see here, we had a flat line, of course, but then we had over the last several sessions, again, this thing has been just spiking upwards. So definitely has been some accumulation in this particular stock. The RSI here, as you can see, is at 65.2, comfortably above the 50 mark. So typically want to see this above 70, the power zone, if you will. Looks like we had a little bit of the power zone situation here. It did cool a little bit, which is great. Nice to have a little consolidation. So here, perhaps if we have a little bit of increasing in the price with some increasing volume, you expect the RSI to increase as well. I do like the MACD on this thing too. As you can see here, we've had just a nice histogram, a positive histogram. It has cooled a little bit, so consolidation. Again, that's fairly healthy. We've had the black and red lines had a nice divergence here, and they've been nice steadily increase as well. So that's also a bullish sign. And look at the 50 DMA and the 200 DMA. The 50 DMA, excuse me, it's at 0.0027, so it's comfortably above that. And also the 200 DMA at 0.00327, again, comfortably above that. And once you with the margin here, just looking at the resistance points, let's see here. Looks like we may have one possibly at around the 0.14 level or so, and that's just being kind of a rough guess there, guys. Nothing, nothing scientific about that, but that's about where I'd say there's some resistance there. So, definitely this thing has some room to grow. Definitely some bullish signs here, and we'd have to keep an eye on this. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the presentation. The information contained herein has been compiled from resources deemed reliable, and it is accurate to the best of our knowledge and belief. However, steamingredhotpicks.com cannot guarantee as to its accuracy, completeness, and validity, and cannot be held liable for any errors or omissions. Furthermore, steamingredhotpicks.com is neither an investment advisor nor a financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Please visit our disclaimer page on our website at www.steamingredhotpicks.com for further information. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.